Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Nathanie and this is my channel, and if you are interested in seeing my face more, please be sure to subscribe down below and to click the bell button as it notifies you every time I do upload, which is every Friday at 12:30. To my returning subscribers, hey family, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. And today is a different kind of video. Today I've been seeing this video around the YouTube streets and I was like, I really want to try it out for myself, so that is what we are doing today. And so you probably would see by the title, it is 10 things I can't live without. I saw this on the GQ YouTube channel where they ask like rappers and like basketball players and sports stars and whatever in America, like the 10 things they can't live without. So I thought I also want to get involved, so that's exactly what I'm going to be doing today. So let's get straight on into the first thing. So the first thing for me would be my cell phone. So I have a iPhone 8 Plus, and I really love it so much. It's just great for social media and all those fun stuff and texting family and friends, obviously, but also so I was really thinking of getting the iPhone 11, but like I'm trying to get better with my money habits, so I decided not to, because my phone is still fine. Like I'm not trying to replace something that isn't broken. So basically that's it. And I got this cover, I think from my friend. I think she got it from like the Vodacom shop. Oh, let me tell you this funny story. So one day Nathanie forgot her phone on top of her car, and she was visiting family in Soweto. So I was driving, I stopped at a robot. This was like at nighttime, like 6-7 o'clock. Drove, then I was looking for my phone as I'm driving. I'm like, oh my word, where is my phone? So then I go to the nearest, like I stop at the garage, and my phone is still on the roof. Because this like this phone cover is like, it like sticks to everything. It like basically stuck to the roof of my car, and it literally just stuck. I was so happy. So fun fact, I'm never taking this cover off. Okay, so the next thing that I really love is, and I can't live without, is my Fitbit. So this is basically what it looks like. Probably show you a better picture. Okay. So basically, if you don't know what a Fitbit is, it's like basically a fitness tracker. It helps you like track your calories, like keep you constant in moving, tracks your steps. And I really love this so much because I'm like going on my fitness journey, and it helps you a lot and it keeps you motivated. So yeah, so I love it. And you can also like it tracks your sleeping, as well as you can put alarms on the watch. So when you need to wake up, it like buzzes on your wrist. It's amazing. And I literally can't live without it. Like I don't know what else to say. I just can't live without it. So another one. So the next thing I can't live without is my perfume. And this is the Zara perfume. It is in Gardenia. I think the scent is called Gardenia. But this is the best. Like, people don't sleep on Zara perfumes. Zara perfumes are the best, and they are so affordable. They smell amazing. The smell lasts forever, and people usually like ask me like, you smell really good, like what is that? And I'm like, it's Zara perfume, and people are so shocked, and I'm just like, guys, hook yourself up. And it's really not expensive. I know I got this one and a different one. I think it was the Orchard one in a 2-pack for like 240, so it's a bargain. Another essential for me is sunscreen. So this is a sunscreen. Oh. So that is the sunscreen that I have been using for probably like a few months, like maybe for 2 to 3 months, I think. and it is amazing. It actually, there's still so much left. It's like 100 mils, which is amazing. And for the fact that it retails for like under 100 rand, it is amazing. And I just love it because it says anti-aging and anti-pigmentation. So it is a UVA and a UVB blocker, which is really important for sunscreen. It's very moisturizing. I love how thick it is, and I just really love this stuff. And you definitely, I don't go a day without putting this on my face. I need it. The sun in South Africa is very harsh. Okay, the sun anyway is harsh. Even in winter the sun is harsh, so I put on sunscreen all the time. I don't go a day without it. So the next thing that I always go, I have it like literally everywhere I go, I have one. So this is, I don't use this one specifically, but I have this one on my table. I have one in my car, one in my handbag. I think I have two in my handbag, one in my car, and then I have this one just for my makeup station. But this is the Swiitchbeauty lip priming balm. So it comes in a pack of 2. So this is the other one. This is the prepping, and this is the prepping, and this is the priming. So I always try to keep a lip balm of any sort around me, just so my lips don't get dry, you know, and ashy. I don't like that at all, and it's just like, it's not a vibe. So the next thing, it's really hot right now. So the next thing that I really can't live without is Epimax. So I use this cream, that's what my nephew calls it, cream. I always use this cream because it's just like, I love thick creams for my body because I feel like I have a very dry skin, and I try to like moisturize it properly because I can't do like the Niveas and everything because those are like very thin, like the consistency of the cream are very thin. I can't do that, so I need a thick cream. So for winter, summer, everything, it does the thing, and my skin always looks amazing with it. I also use it as well on my skin. My skin has never, obviously here and there I have a breakout, but my skin has never looked really dry, so shout out to that. Okay, and another one that recently came into my life. Oh, okay, I think I'm gonna use this one to do like, okay, I'm gonna do one. So for the next one, which is the 7th one, is lash extensions. So only recently, it is a recent thing I can't live without. So I get my lashes done. I literally got my lashes done yesterday, and I literally can't live without them. Like after a while they start looking funny, and I'm just like, I need to go back. It's like basically like a drug, and I don't appreciate it, but it's amazing for summer times. I don't know if I'm going to carry on doing it throughout like the entire year next year, but I really enjoy it for right now because like it's summertime and you don't always want to just like put so much effort into it, like into putting on lashes every single time, because I would always put on the most dramatic lashes. Even if I'm going to the to a 1-year-old birthday, I am that person. I will put on lashes that touch my eyebrows. Like it's just who I am. So this just makes it so much easier for me to just put on a quick face and then like run out of the door. And also I just wake up feeling beautiful. Do you know what I mean? Like there's not much effort that I need to put into it, which is such a plus. I love it so much. And I will put my Lash Ladies details down below so that you can also be beautiful with me, you know. So, and she's hella affordable and I love her so much. Shout out to you. You know who you are. So the next thing I cannot live without is my wallet. So this is my wallet. My friend got it for me for my birthday. Shout out to you, Danielle. You're the MVP. So I got this wallet and it literally has all my necessary cards, pictures of like my dad and my sister. I think my mom is underneath there somewhere. And then all of my loyalty cards, my driver's license, all those things, and coins. I sometimes don't have coins. Most of the time I don't have coins, but anyways, that is one of my favorite things. Also, that I really love, and this is like next on my list, would be the whole shorts, like cycling shorts and oversized t-shirts, that's like my vibe. I enjoy that so much because that is basically, in essence, that is me. I literally love that. I bought these shorts, I think from Superbalist. They come in a pack of 2 and they are cycling shorts. I'm currently wearing a pair. I would take them off if I could, but no. But I will screenshot them right here, or I'll put the link down below as well. They are amazing, especially for summertime. Like, I am not trying to wear long pants if I don't want to. Do you know what I mean? So that's why I'm doing that, because that's like the best thing right now for myself, you know, for my soul, you know. So, and then another thing that I'm obsessed with on my phone, it's an app. It's the iBook app. So what I do is I get ebooks like downloaded on my phone. That's what it looks like. So I get books like downloaded on my phone, and I read them. Like, this is sometimes like the best way for me to relax and just chill. The best way, the best. So I usually do that, and then I read it off my phone. It's just, I can't really be bothered to get a book. I know that sounds like otherwise, but this is how I do it. Like, I'm always on my phone and all that stuff. So that's what it is. That's what it is. Okay. And then I think I went over 10, but another one that I want to talk about is just a face mask. Any kind of face mask is how I love to relax. So this is the face mask from Republic Skin, I think. Skin Republic, my bad. And there's no specific like mask, I don't mind, but as long as I have something that just to relax and just to put on my face, just so I can feel zen, like self-care kind of vibes, I love that so much. And I just feel like that's just better for everyone involved, like everyone. And basically those are the things I cannot live without. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you like these types of video, please put any kinds of videos that you would like me to film down below, and I will do them for you. And I have nothing else to say, but thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.